Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to AAmna's kitchen. This is Sonu, and today we're gonna make mango cram cup. Let's start. Okay, let's just take a look at the ingredients. First of all, we'll need two tiny slices of two bananas. Then we'll need about a medium size of mango. We'll also need raisins, about 10 grams, and we'll need 10 to 15 finely chopped almonds. Then we'll need sesame seeds, colorful sesame seeds. These are as much as you want, and we'll need about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ground sugar. And we'll need fresh cream. And let's just start it. Let's just pour the cream in. See how thick is it? Yes. Let's just put the sugar on it and let's just mix it. Ground sugar mixed with cream really well than the usual sugar, but if you're not have your hands on ground sugar, then it's no problem, you can use regular sugar. You just need to mix this a little bit longer with the ordinary sugar. Let's just add the bananas to it. Just 3, 4. Let's just mix it up. And let's just add the raisins and the almonds. Let's mix them okay. Now it's ready, and let's just begin with the mango. Now I have already prepared a mango for this, but you'll need to first of all cut the mango in half and then squeeze it so it just spreads with the seed. Then grab the seed and pull it out, and there we go. We actually don't need the seed right now. You just need to put this in. Go. There we go. This one here. And let's just Let's just add a little bit of cream on top. There we go. It's ready. Now let's just put them in the refrigerator for about half an hour. But first, let's just pour on the sprinkles. Now, if you don't want or you can't get your hands on the sprinkles, you can't and add the sprinkles and stir. It will taste really delicious. There we go. And the almonds a little bit on the top, and well, they're ready. Let's just put them in the refrigerator. There we go. Alright, so I put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes and they're ready now. Let's just taste one of them. Let's taste it. Wow. It's really like a really great dessert for your parties or any other thing that you want, or if you want to eat it personally. But this is so delicious and you should also try it. And if you like it, subscribe to our channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Wow.